2017 Hyundai Tucson 1.6 turbo GDI engine. 89,000 on this one's been a prolific oil burner. Somebody's been replacing spark plugs because this one isn't too fouled up. There's no way this is an original plug. Looking for now what's common on these when you run it misfire with a hot lean condition after an injector wets the bed, we tend to get burnt exhaust valves. This will be the fourth one I've had. So here's the deal. If you've got one of these, and automotively in general, if your vehicle starts severely misfiring with or without a flashing check engine light, please do not drive on it. This is what can happen. You can burn the valve thereafter. It doesn't matter what's originating it. In this case, the injector originated the misfire. Now you got to take the head off, do a valve replacement job. All the valves, cautionarily. It's going to be $4,800 before tax on the parts. All right, and these 1.6s, they seem to have a problem with it.